Hello friends, Vince Burlapp here. Today we are taking a quick look at the all-new Toyota Crown Signia. It is a very nice SUV that looks really slick and modern. It actually seems more like a good-looking wagon than an SUV. It almost resembles an overgrown Toyota Prius, which is a good thing these days. There is the name Crown, which is a famous old Toyota model in Japan, but means nothing to US buyers. A stupid idea. Inside, this Crown Signia looks very similar to the regular Toyota Crown, that weird-looking sedan they came up with last year. It has a nice interior, except for that detestable plastic gold trim. I find it to be the pinnacle of vulgarity in interior car design, a ghastly trend that unfortunately seems to be more popular. Gold made out of plastic is not luxurious at all, and never was. The console looks really nice, but we don't get to see what the shifter looks like since Toyota has removed them from all of their cars on the auto show floor. For some odd reason, only known to them and the Toyota gods, the center console has a deep storage you can open from both sides, although these exposed screws are dreadfully third-rate. Otherwise, things are very nice inside, and the panoramic roof is always welcome. The rear seat is roomy and comfortable, and you get a perfect view of all the plastic gold in the rest of the interior. It's everywhere. That lady seems to like the buttons on the steering wheel, and good for her. Again, more gold plastic here. Why? It looks like I'm too dumb, clumsy, or both to figure out how to open the truck. Oh well, the new Toyota Crown Signia seems like a very nice car. If the Toyota gods are on our side, they might even have a cheaper model without the plastic gold trim all over. Who knows?